So, hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello. I'm audible.
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. So, hello, ma'am. Thank you for giving you this precious time. And that today I'm going to take your interview. So, first I will
Yes.
introduce myself. So, hello everyone. This is me. My name is Ravajja. I'm from class 6 standard from Gurukul Grand Union High School and Junior College, as well as a student of Step by Step English Speaking Institute from Diamond Village. So, ma'am, will you introduce yourself?
Okay. Thank you, Pravaja. And my name is Ketki Mahindra Dhavade. I'm from National Law University, and currently I am in fourth year. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. So, can we start now interview?
Yes, yes, you can.
Okay, ma'am. So, my first question is that who is your inspiration that you have become lawyer?
Okay. Basically, for every law student, there is only one inspiration, which is Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, and in my case also, he is the only one inspiration I entered in this career, and specifically the backup of my father and grandfather who told me to do this. This is the only sole reason I am in this career.
Okay, ma'am. Means Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, those who have written our Indian Constitution. So
Yes.
they are your inspiration. Very nice inspiration. Okay, so my second question is, um, why you have not choose any other means any other career means like engineer is there, doctor is there. Why you have choose only lawyer?
um See, everyone is choosing a doctor and engineer, but I just want to do something unique and something useful to everyone. I'm not saying that engineering or doctor is not useful, but for me, uh, it's I just want to help people who are there who didn't get justice, and who are poor people. I just want to help them, and it's a very good career choice, I think. And I just want to go in the legal profession. That's why I choose this profession.
Very nice means unique you have chose in means what is your career or okay very nice it was means unique you have choose your career means lawyer. I think it is difficult to say about means some people are there those have some cases we have to
Yes.
give their what I can say that proof we have to give. So that is
Yes.
I think that is very difficult. It is difficult
Yes,
really.
in some cases, yes, in some cases, if there is no evidence, you can't prove that you are not guilty. But if in some cases, if every proof and every evidence is against you, in that case, in that such thing, or in that such situation, you are totally opposite. The situation is totally opposite to you, towards you, and you can't, even if you are not guilty, you can't prove it. So in law, you need to prove yourself. You need to give the evidence that you are not guilty in that particular situation or that particular case.
Okay, means it is like no, if there is no proof is there, so we can't do, we can't learn that case or what we used to do. So
Yeah.
my next question is, what one thing you like while you was becoming a lawyer or after you have become lawyer?
One thing I like means which subject you're talking about, or separate
No,
paths.
no, I'm asking that when you are learning, means when you are going in college for learning lawyer studies, on
Uh,
that time what you like, or after becoming lawyer, one thing you like, one or two thing you like?
okay. What I like is about criminal procedures, criminal laws, which I studied in my third year, and it's like quite interesting because there are many more cases which are related to very much crimes which is happening right now in India, and it is quite interested while hearing the judgments, or while hearing the arguments, or and the one thing also is the constitutional theory, or a constitutional subject, you can say. It's also my favorite, or it's hold my uh, that I'm very
Okay,
much interested in that.
okay. Nice it was, means criminal is there, so proving that case,
Hmm.
very nice. Okay, so my next question is, means what advice or a message you would like to give those who are studying, means those who are preparing for become a lawyer?
Okay. This the one suggestion I like to give is, see, study never ends, so we have to study till the end, till the case ends, or till the next case comes. So there is no option without study. So my only suggestion is to study, and to work hard on the uh, work hard in your that particular law career. It's very helpful to study, because without studying there is no such thing. Nothing is going to happen without a study. So the study is more important.
Okay. So my question has end, but one thing I would like to ask you, but when you have gone to do study of lawyer, so
Hmm.
from that first year, from this till this fourth year, what one achievement you got, biggest
uh,
achievement?
what big achievement? Basically, I it's an achievement of that I my research paper got published in a book, which is my biggest achievement till date. And it's in a book which name is contemporary relevance, on contemporary relevance. And it was a quite nice experience while writing that particular article, because the topic of my article is that media trials and their impact on judiciary. uh, as everyone knows, what is media trial is an when any particular celebrity is died, or if he is expired. So what media does, media goes to their houses and click the pictures, giving the what say that instance, that facts, what is happening there. But in some point, what they're saying is not particularly true, or what they are giving you facts that are not particularly that proper thing. So that's my topic on that article, which means that what media says to, or what media published in their channels, it affects judiciary, because what they did, they firstly published that particular thing, and it's harm, and it's get affects to judiciary, because they cannot reach to a particular point, or not particular on not in particular end. So that's my achievement, that's my project, not the research topic. It's my research paper, and it's a very wonderful experience while doing it. So that's my only achievement.
So, very big it was achievement, but very nice it was. So, once again, thank you, ma'am, for giving me this your precious time, and thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Pravaja, for taking my interview. You're such a bright student. Do well in your other activities. All the best for you.
Thank you, ma'am.